selfies now?
I didn't choose fame. Fame chose me.
Where's your fan club?
Your president.
Whose birthday is it?
Your sense of humor. It's finally born.
Ouch.
You're welcome.
That's expensive tissue.
I have expensive emotions.
Are you nesting or investing?
Both.
You're literally dripping in guilt.
I'm sweet and unbothered.
Ha! You're a flying donut now.
I accept my destiny.
You ate it. Why return it?
It didn't satisfy my soul.
We don't cover soul damage.
Then call a therapist.
You can't take just one banana.
It's not a banana. It's my emotional support fruit.
Ha! Need a receipt for that?
No? Just your blessings.
Well, you got them. Take care of each other, yeah?
Always do.
You don't even have lips.
I have attitude. That's enough.
Shade name?
Divas in the sky.
It's not singing. It's emotional screaming. My ears are crying. That's the goal.
That chair's for customers.
I am a customer. Emotionally.
You haven't bought anything.
I paid with charm.
You're impossible.
And comfortable.
Those are premium imported sunflower seeds.
Imported from where? The moon?
They're organic.
At these prices, they better cure my emotional issues too.
Oh, that's good.
You again?
Me? Popcorn? Destiny.
Are you proposing to the popcorn?
Don't judge true love.
Oh, wow.
Some hearts crave kernels.
Whatever makes you happy, buddy.
Polly, you still owe me $5.
Put it on my cuteness tab.
That tab expired last week.
Refresh it. I just winked.
Polly, that's stealing.
Consider it taste testing.
How many tests do you need?
Until my report tastes perfect.
Ha!
Want something healthy today?
I want something happy. Like donuts.
Donuts don't make you fly.
They make me emotionally sore.
You buying something today or just staring again?
I'm staring until the price drops.
It won't drop from eye contact.
It worked on your daughter.
Oh, no you didn't.